Are you new to the content creation industry? Searching for an all-in-one, easy-to-use editing tool? Then this video is for you. Today we'll demonstrate how to use Media.io to edit your videos, audio, and images. Media.io is easy to use and has many AI tools. I believe Media.io is the perfect platform for beginners. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use AI tools in Media.io and see the effects they create. Let's dive in. This is the Media.io interface, and I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Here, you will find a vast number of AI tools to edit your videos, audio, and images. Next, you will find a wide range of editable templates for various use cases, which you can use to quickly make your video. Alright, let's create our own video. Click on the New Project button here. This is the video creation page. If you want to create a product video with AI, click on the Start Your Creation with AI button. Now, select the platform, product description, and key selling points to create the video. More video formats are coming soon. If you want to create other videos, return to the main interface. Here you can upload your media to edit and create the final video. You will find the templates here. Okay, I am uploading media from one of my videos. Once all the media are uploaded, insert them into the timeline. First, add the audio clip, and then arrange the videos and images in ascending order. Once you're done, you can add text, music, transitions, effects, filters, and other elements to make it perfect. Once you're satisfied, hit the export button. And here it is, the video has been exported. Let's have a look.
Picture this, the skyline of the world adorned with architectural marvels that stretch towards the heavens. Today, we explore the 10 longest buildings on Earth. Our journey begins in Dubai, home to the iconic Burj Khalifa. Soaring at 828 meters, it reigns as the tallest structure since 2010. Next, we visit Shanghai, where the Shanghai Tower stands tall.
I think it's a pretty good video. Now, what if we want to add subtitles to this video? You can do it. Simply create a new project, upload the exported video, and insert it into the timeline. Okay, now go to the subtitles option here. You will find three options: auto subtitle, AI translation, and upload subtitle. I want to generate subtitles, so I am selecting auto subtitles. In the next step, select the source clip and then the original video language. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is, the subtitles have been generated. Now you can customize the subtitles to make them more appealing. For example, I am changing the font size, color, and stroke. And now it looks like this.
Skyline of the world adorned with architectural marvels that stretch towards the heavens. Today, we explore the 10 longest buildings on Earth.
If you're still not satisfied, you can choose different colors and other elements from the preset menu. Now it looks like this.
Picture this, the skyline of the world adorned with architectural marvels.
Alright, now let's talk about another important feature. You can actually generate speech from text. To do that, simply click on the TTS icon. First of all, you will find the language option. If your text is not in English, you can change it here. Next, you will find a vast library of voice actors to choose from.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
For a more accurate and natural-sounding voice, you can clone your voice. To do this, go to this page and hit the record button. Now, read the script provided by Media.io. Once you're done, hit the submit button. It will take some time to clone your voice. Once your cloned voice is ready, hit the generate button to generate the voiceover. And our new voiceover is ready. Let's have a look. Picture this, the skyline of the world adorned with architectural marvels that stretch towards the heavens. Today, we explore the 10 longest buildings on Earth. Our journey begins in Dubai. This is just amazing. The voiceover is very efficient and accurate. I love it. Alright, Media.io is not just a video editor. You will find a vast number of AI features on this platform, such as the background remover tool. Changing the video background can be very challenging. If your video has a solid background, you can do it easily. However, the challenge comes when the background is multicolored and has complex elements. but now you can do it with the AI background remover. After going to this page, click here to upload the video clip. For testing purposes, I am uploading this video clip. Once the video clip is uploaded successfully, Media.io will automatically remove the background. After the background is removed, you can apply different backgrounds from here. You can even upload your own. Once you're satisfied, you can download the video with the new background by clicking the download button. Okay, now I will talk about another interesting AI-powered feature called video effects. You will find the video effects tool in the AI Tools Hub. Once you're on this page, you have to upload the video here. I am uploading this video. Once the video is uploaded, you just have to select an effect. For example, I am selecting this effect, and here's the result. It works perfectly, but it doesn't look great. Let's try another one. This time, I am selecting this one. And here's our new version. It really looks amazing. I love this version. If you are a social media influencer or content creator, this video effects feature will help you increase engagement. That's not all. You will find many other effective tools in the AI Tools Hub that will make video creation easier than ever before. And if you are a complete beginner, Media.io can be your best choice as a video editor. In conclusion, Media.io is one of the best online video, audio, and image editors for beginners. So, don't forget to try this AI-powered tool. I will put the link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Media.io. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!